Anyhow, back to bush tucker. This is what a pig face looks like. Carpobrotus something or other. This is a pig face, and it has edible fruits and edible leaves. Eaten by our indigenous people, our First Nations people, for thousands of years. I'm not a bush tucker expert, by the way, so before you eat any bush tucker, always seek the advice of an expert. That's what a pig face flower looks like. There's the leaves here. That's what the leaves look like. If you're ever lost in the bush, you know what to eat in an emergency at least. They're the fleshy leaves. Now, the pig face flower turns into a fruit. See there, that fleshy fruit? I don't know if it's ripe, I don't know that it is, but that's what a pig face flower turns into. Maybe that's why it's called pig face, because it looks like a pig or something, I don't know. But that's the fruit there that the pig face flower turns into. It's supposed to taste like a salty strawberry. Let's have a look at it closer up. That's the fruit there, what it looks like. Oops, closer up. It's supposed to taste like a salty strawberry. So, let's have a look. I saw one gentleman on YouTube, he squeezed the thing, and the sort of strawberry, it went upwards. Let's see what happens. I don't know if it's ripe. Anyway, let's cut it open and have a look at it. Here we are. Look. Where is it now? There we have it. There's the fruit. Let's just cut it open and have a look at it, what it looks like inside. I see, there's the fruit part there. It's not ripe. I don't know if it's ripe or not. It's red on top. That's the fruit part there. It can be made into jams and things. Well, you can see it's got juice there. What's it there? Let me have a taste of it anyway. No, it's not ripe yet. I've come along too soon. It's not ripe yet, but that is the part that becomes a fruit, this part here. I think you squeeze it. I think when you squeeze it like that, when it's ripe, the fruit will come out this way. Ow! Just as well I didn't squirt all over the lens. That's it there. That's a fruit section of a pig face. Let me nibble some more. Well, it's quite watery and juicy. It's not unpleasant. I don't know that this is right. I'm not an expert, remember. So that's what a pig face fruit looks like. If you're ever hungry and lost somewhere, and all you can see is pig face. Here's another pig face here. And you've got the fruit coming up there. There's the fruit flower turning into a fruit anyway. That's what they look like. There's another one turning into a fruit. And that's what they look like when they turn into fruits. There's another pig face flower there turning into a fruit. As I say, it's supposed to taste like a salty strawberry when it's ripe. The fruit part. Oh, look, there's another over there. That's one. Just in there, where are you? Just in there. Where are you? There you are, just in there. Oops, that's it there. That red thing in the centre of the camera is the fruit. Just there. It's going red. The red part is the fruit. Have to let them get juicier and more riper. There's another flower there turning into a fruit. So one need never starve. One knows what to look for. And there's another turning into a fruit. The petals are all dying away. And it's turning into a pigface fruit. So they are a colourful little weed to have around, handy as emergency food, if not regular bush tucker food.